Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is a haul on what I received for my birthday. So this is what I have. First, here is this MCM bag. It is tiny. It comes with this little purse coin holder in it. That's basically what it looks like. It's the brown color with their logo on it. And it also can be a crossbody bag or a strap bag. Basically how it looks. And then this is the inside of it. Basically what it looks like. It could hold my phone in there. This is a certificate of authenticity, I believe. This little packet has all the information. Oops, I have to take that out, but this is basically a certificate. Little booklet. Also came with this little dust bag. It should have, with the amount of money that was spent on it. So here's the dust bag, and I'm just going to put it in here. So here is the bag. White MCM bag. Just open it. Take the bag, and we're putting it in its home. And that's that. Next we have, here they are, these Burberry sneakers. I wear a size 10.5. Burberry sneakers. They also come with a dust bag, which is really good. Open it. Has the Burberry logo. Have these designer sneakers. When will I wear it? The Burberry name on the side. Also has, as I said, this brownish black with red color. The white, very sturdy, hard material. It shows a tag on it. What does this say? I'm assuming this is a European-based company because the sneaker size is 40.5. So made in Italy, that should be good. Good quality, good material. Once again, no, this is it. Pretty sneaker. Next item I received are these two glasses. I needed a new prescription. So I have some new glasses. A darker brown color.
Hey, that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Uniquely Mia. Like, comment, and subscribe.